Today we're going to have a quick look at some old balloon footage, some beautiful footage, and then we're going to use the horizon and the globe's mathematics against itself, exposing it and showing it for the fraud that it is. First, let's have a quick look at this bit of footage, and then we'll look at the globe horizon and the globe mathematics to highlight how absurd and ridiculous this globe really is. But first, let's have a quick look at this beautiful bit of footage from a few years back. That is as good a place as any to pause. Just looking at that footage should tell you all you need to know. Sun hotspot, the horizon, the closeness of the sun, and of course now we'll look at the globe mathematics. Bear with me. Okay, distance to the horizon calculator. The balloon is approximately 20 miles up. That converts to 105,600 feet. So we've calculated that. And the distance to the horizon, according to the globe, is 398.7 miles. So we've got that as a reference. Now, I've punched that figure into the Earth curve calculator because I want to know what the ground in relation. Point A is the balloon and the ground beneath it. Point B is the horizon the camera on the balloon is looking at, okay? So I want to get some idea of what the supposed curvature between the 2 points of reference is. Eye height 0 because it's ground level we're interested in. Target distance 398.7 miles because that is what the globe Earth horizon calculator tells us at that distance, height. So we calculate. And we get 105,739 feet of curve, okay? So near enough the same amount of curvature as the balloon is high. So pretty much 20 miles. So let's go back to the footage. So, according to the globe mathematics, that horizon we are seeing there that appears at the same eye level as the camera on this balloon that is 20 miles up. According to the globe mathematics, that horizon should be 40 miles below the eye level of the camera. 40 miles! That's the elevation of the balloon itself above the ground. It's hovering above. And of course the supposed globe Earth curve. I think anyone with any common sense can see that horizon is not 40 miles lower than the apparent eye level of this balloon. It appears the same height. And of course, the sun being there with the horizon in between looks rather damning indeed for the globe model. It's done, folks. It has been for years. It's just waking people up to this light and this deception. Their own mathematics highlights the absurdity of this globe. Look how close the sun is. Look at the sun hotspot. Look at the horizon that's supposed to be 40 miles below the eye level of this camera on the balloon. It's not. It's at eye level. You can only have that on a level plane. The globe mathematics tells you how ridiculous the globe is. You can test this, what I've shown you, on any level, climbing up a hill, climbing up a mountain, flying in an aeroplane. You're going to get the same results when you compare the horizon, the distance is supposedly from you, and then you take into account the supposed globe Earth curve. That horizon should never be there. Fact.